Hello everybody, how you all doing in your neck of the woods? Are you here okay? What up? What up? Manners and respect. Are your girl Debbie from down a yard, man? You know pretty? Okay. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for making it West Indian Delights. And all you who are not so new, welcome also and thank you for your support. Okay? Now, long time we don't natch up nothing, right? So follow me now, man. Right over here on my stove. Hello, if you're new to my channel also, give them a shot at Jessie. Welcome to Jessie, my masterpiece. Yeah man, long time we don't see Jessie. So, she's on the flame. And we have Jessie here. We have a little griddle pan here. And right inside here, we have some pasta, spaghetti. So we're gonna put together a little meal, you know. As soon as we finish it and put it together, you see what we're doing. Alright? So we notch up a flame and we have about 1.5 or 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, but we ain't gonna use all of it. And to this now, I'm gonna add right in about 2 tablespoons of curry, right? And I'm gonna burn the curry. The curry is there. We're gonna turn the back of flame a little. We're gonna burn the curry. But in the meantime, in between time, the curry is burning. We're gonna notch up a flame midway, medium heat, onto our griddle pan. Right here, we have a few slices of chicken breast. We cleaned, sliced, washed, and seasoned, and they're here. They were there ahead a few hours now. So we're gonna get some spray. And if you don't have the spray, you can feel free to coat your pan with some vegetable oil. Alright? We're gonna let it get heat up. So in the meantime, we're gonna come back. We're gonna burn our curry. So while burning, we're trying to make a curry paste. We're gonna make you a curry sauce, but we're gonna use some coconut milk to notch it up. Right? So as we go along and the dish is finished, you see how we put it together. Right? That is in there and it's burning. We're not going to use a lot of seasoning, family, because we want to get the coconut milk, the taste. Remember, coconut milk is not something that you put a lot of seasoning in there, because it has its own superb flavor. So you don't put a lot of seasoning, a lot of stuff inside of it to really get the flavor off. You need to just go slow. Okay? So, we're checking our pan. Right? You can heat up a little more. So right here, we have 2 pegs of garlic. We're going to smash. And after smashing, we're going to try to dice it up, you know, as fine as we can get it. Remember, I tell you, I don't have no whole cutting skills, but I can try to help myself. Right? We want to get it as fine as possible inside the curry, because we're going to make this sauce with the coconut milk smooth sauce. So we don't want a whole heap of particles when we make the sauce in there. We don't want a lot of particles with tasting. We just want to taste the sauce. The same thing with the ginger. We have a piece of ginger. Feel free, family. Right? So you smash. When you smash it, you get it sliced fine, easier. You don't have to put a lot of pressure. So you smash it first and then you chop as fine. But be careful if you're using a sharp knife, or whether sharp or not, because sometimes they tend not to be sharp, but when they catch your hands, it's a different thing. So we're going right in. We're getting a little flavor inside our curry, because I'm using Indian curry. And it has a whole lot of flavor. It has a lot of spices. So we're going to put in, for curry, we're going to put in a few slices. Family, me not play with this, you know. This is Scotch bonnet, but I'm not using the seed. Right? I think I smell my chicken pan. So we're searing these little chicken breasts. We're just going to put them in there and let the So as they go along, we turn them from side to side. So we're going to lower flame a bit. So remember I tell you, go back to chopping up our pepper so we don't play along with this. This is not something to play along with. So you use your fork and your knife, because you have to treat it like you're going eating. You can't put your hand on this. So let's go right here. Now we're going to get some stirring going on, because we're trying to get this curry. If you had watched my curry chicken video, notch up back with flame, and we're burning the curry right in on it. Let them see. We're trying to get the flavor out. So of the curry, oh family, if you smell the ginger and the garlic inside of it, you would just say something else. It's so nice. It smells so nice. It has this aroma. Yes. So now we have it at that stage. So we're going to start pouring our coconut milk. A little at a time, a little at a time, a little at a time, a little at a time. And let us lower our flame, because the heat is coming up too much. So we're going down back to medium. Yeah? So a little at a time, we're pouring our coconut milk. And while pouring, we're stirring. While pouring, we're stirring. Yup. Yup. Right in. Now, this is gonna cook, family, on a low flame. Not medium, but a low flame. Show them, give them a shot of the flame. Low flame for the next 20 minutes. Yes? It is gonna cook, because coconut, milk, and curry, they are bowel movement things. So we're gonna let them cook. Gonna let them cook together and gel together. Come right back in again. Look at the color. We're gonna slightly taste. We might want just a small bit of salt, but we're not ready as yet. Nothing more but the salt. So that's it. We're gonna let it stay there, and we're gonna cover it and let it stay there for another 20 minutes on this low, stirring it at different intervals, turning it, stirring it a few times to get it together. Coming over here now, and we're gonna look at our chicken. Yeah, they are not ready, but as soon as they're ready, they will get a brown color and all of that. So family, we will return in another 20 minutes when our curry sauce is finished and our chicken will be seared. Flip to another side, and we're going to put the dish together and show you what it's like. Okay, family, we are back and we are going right in. Zoom right in on the flame. Let them see it. So as I told you before, we went in a few times just to keep it together by stirring. Right in. Look at it. Look at it. It's the curry and the coconut milk is properly cooked. Because let me tell you something, family. And when you're talking it back, tell them, said Debbie down a yard said that coconut milk is not to be consumed unless it's properly cooked. Right? Likewise curry. So let's get it. Give them a shot. This is how our pan-seared chicken looks. Look at the beauty of them. Right on there. Now family, we're here. We're going to turn off our flame. Everything is off. We're going to take some of our sauce. We're going to reserve a little of our sauce right here. I'm making a little mess, but family, you know it go already. So we're going to reserve a little of our sauce over here. Now, we're going to take our noodles and we're going to get them right in. And we're going to coat them in this sauce. Okay, the noodles were cooked and they were there ahead of time. they were left on the stove and they have been kept warm. Okay, so we're gonna coat the noodles with this sauce. Just family, just look at what I'm doing. Look at what I'm doing. We're gonna coat the noodles, and you know my style: over, under, and over. Under and over. Look at this beauty coming out. Under and over. Under. Try to get all your noodles coated. Wow. Get right in on it. Under and over. Properly coated inside your curry coconut sauce. Right? Okay. There you have it now. Now we're gonna plate. So we're gonna come and we're gonna use our tongue. Remember not to overcrowd your plate, and try to keep your plate not too messy. Yep. I'm gonna put a little more. Okay. We have to do some cleaning up, family. You know that, but you know that is never a problem. Okay. So let's get right on the edge of our plate. Yeah. And we're gonna fix to one side, fix to the side, yes, to the side. We're gonna clean. Presentation, family. Get right in on it, let them see what I'm doing. We're gonna top off with a little dried parsley for decoration. Yeah, just for decoration. Not too much, that's fine. We're coming right over here and we're gonna take our chicken. Okay, pan seared chicken breast, and we're gonna put them, set them, let them look uniform. This is fine. Okay, and we're gonna take some of our reserved sauce here, and we're gonna drizzle it. Not too much, not too much. Right over our chicken. We're not gonna go too much, family. Right? And we're gonna clean our plate. Let's get our plate cleaned. Because you know, family, the curry, let's gonna damp. Damp your hand towel or your napkin, and we get in the plate properly cleaned. There you have it. From West Indian Delights, from my kitchen to yours. It's pan-seared chicken and pasta in coconut curry sauce. Okay, enjoy. Now you can serve up this with a few rolls, yes, and for beverage you can use, I think you need to use some form of white wine, something sparkling, right, or cold beer. Remember, Mother's Day just finished, Father's Day coming up, so I can't diss the father them, right? So this could be a nice Father's Day treat. So remember, if you like this little video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel and you want to do so, please go ahead. Feel free. Okay, if you're already a subscriber, remember to click the bell, that as soon as another video is up, you're in line to know. And remember, from my kitchen to yours, it's pan-seared chicken and pasta in coconut curry sauce. A Debbie from Donga Yard, cut me a cut, enjoy once more. Boop.